by Valentine's Day, you need some hobbies.
Absolutely. You know, everybody else, they're all going online, looking at their phones to try and find a date, swiping left, swiping right. Well, you know, if you really want to succeed, the success will go the opposite way of the crowd. So now it's the time to get back in person and put that phone away.
Yes.
So, hobbies. What are some good hobbies to attract an intelligent woman?
Well, dancing, like ballroom dancing, salsa dancing.
Oh yeah, you can even take classes for it, and they be in a safe atmosphere to meet the ladies. You can do cooking classes, pottery classes, anything where it's hands-on and gets you doing something. And you can focus on the class and still meet people, and it takes some of the pressure off.
Yeah, or let's see. If you're a runner, you can go on Meetup and find the groups to run with a group of people, and most of them are usually men.
Yeah, you can do 5Ks, half marathons, things like that.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't have to be half marathons.
Well, that's why I said 5Ks.
People maybe don't run that long, but 5Ks. There's a lot of men that participate in that group up meetup activity.
Yeah, and if you're a sports fan, go to a game. Whether you're a guy or girl, like get out there, get out in public.
Yes.
There's 8 billion people, 4 billion of them are the opposite sex. And at least half of those are unmarried. So you got a chance of 2 billion people to attract your ideal mate. So think of some hobbies. Let me know what yours are. The way we met.
Yes.
I'll let you tell that one.
Yes, and how we met is I was working on my career, but I was still going out a lot. I had hobbies, so I was actually certified in Reiki, and I was interested in holistic health, and I'm still interested in holistic health. So I attended, that specific day, I attended a holistic expo.
At the Soccerplex there in
Yes,
North Homestead?
North Homestead. And I didn't even think about meeting the guy. At that point, I was just working on my career, just having fun and enjoying life. And boom, all of a sudden, he was there.
Yeah, I was working at the event. We got introduced for like a second through one of the other vendors that knew her, and we locked eyes and zinged and boom. And you never know where that's going to be. So get out of your house, put your video games away, guys. Put some effort in it. If you want to have a date by Valentine's, the ladies are there, right?
And ready.
Yeah.
And you don't have to go out and think about it. Oh my God, I need to meet her. Oh, I need to meet him. No, just relax and have fun. Don't even think about it. Don't stress out.
Pretend. Think you're just going out to make friends.
Yeah, that's it.
Because you at least want to like the person and see if you can be friendly with them before you're going to go romantic.
Oh, yes. First, you need to make sure that you're compatible before you go into the full-blown of intimacy.
And that's totally different than the friend zone, guys. You got to be friendly, but you don't want stuck in the friend zone.
That's clear intention. Communicate that.
Absolutely.
Potentially willing to be a boyfriend.
Yep. And we got fun things coming up.
Yes.
We'll have more details on our Fall in Love Accelerator coming up at the end of the month.
Yes, so. January 24th, actually, 6 p.m. You can register already. And we'll put the link down below.
For free.